Hello, good morning traders. Today is the 16th of March 2023. We had amazing trade, guys. Pound Swiss franc. We amazing trade, guys. Let me explain to you in 4 hour how I analyze and how I analyze the entries and exit. Amazing trade, guys. If you look at the 4 hour chart, that's a pretty straightforward. You can see here that's the supply zone. As you can see here, price nicely respected here. So as explained to my trader, we are looking at this breakout. So if you look at this candle, let me clear this one. If you look at this candlestick, so we have a bearish engulfing candle, and you can see here price nicely respected at the resistance level. So in intraday, we were looking this breakout. And if you look at the intraday analysis, there was the analysis as I mentioned, price developed triple top. So we're looking this breakout. And based on the 4 hour analysis and based on the intraday, we have this beautiful breakout. And after the breakout, price nicely developed another pullback. As explained to my trader based on the 4 hours, so we are expecting around this is the first target, which is price is about to hit, as you can see here. That's the first target we were expecting here. So price nicely hit to the profit target. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, you can see here, I also updated that analysis. It's time to enjoy some profit or at least move your stop loss at the break even. I hope you enjoy this analysis, but you can enjoy more if you watch this analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. So most welcome. Join our fast growing trading community. Have a safe trading, guys, and wish you all the best.